Pick out 3 shirts for me with pants. New sitting. Please. Fresh sitting on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Shit. Damn. I'm sitting in my slide body. Hold on. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, guys. The second vlog for today. I'm just coming back from Brownstone, guys. I just went to go buy some paint, so I dropped the paint off, guys, and now I'm in Ocherias, guys. It's like I said, it's near Christmas, guys, so I'm just getting a few things. I want to get some t-shirts right now, and then I'm gonna go get probably get I don't know, probably get a pants and another shirt someplace else. But right now I'm at the t-shirt factory. I call it the t-shirt factory, but the name of the place is Sun Island, Jamaica. So this is where I get like some of my t-shirts. This is where I get some of my t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? Like the Jamaica t-shirts, like, you know what I say, Yardman style and them thing there. This is where I get it, guys. So I'm gonna go inside right now and get a few t-shirts, and after this I'm gonna go to St. Anne's Bay. There's this place in St. Anne's Bay that do shopping sometimes when I'm buying clothes. They have a lot of stuff. This is exactly where I got this shirt from. I'm gonna go back there in St. Anne's Bay in a few minutes. So guys, let's go inside and we'll see if I can get a few t-shirts. I'm just gonna maybe like 2 or 3 just to wear on the road, and you know what I say, just casual t-shirts. But I'm gonna get some better shirts in St. Anne's Bay. But right now we're gonna go inside and get some shirts, guys. I'm a little pressed for time because it's after 4 o'clock and I don't want the places to close. So let's go, guys. Yeah, guys, this is the Sun Island, Jamaica, but I just call it T-shirt factory for short. That's what I like to call it, you know what I say? So just take a quick look, guys, what they have to offer. Lots of Jamaica stuff, you know, things that you would wear, you know, a lot of Jamaica logo and stuff like that. So guys, right now I'm gonna try to pick a shirt real quick because I'm in a hurry. You know what I'm saying? I have to go to St. Anne's Bay, like I said, to get something else because I have some place going, couple places going for this Christmas. So I just want to get some stuff ready just in case. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna continue to look for some stuff. I just want some casual t-shirts just to wear on the road and at work and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go to St. Anne's Bay and see if I can get something more, you know, like if I'm going out or something like that. So guys, journey with me as I shop. Boom. Yes, people, I got 2 shirts so far. I'm gonna have to show you the design on it yet. See, when we have it on, you will see the design. We have 2 of them already, one black and one blue. I go and look, people, so I'll get back at you right soon. Blessings, guys. Blessings.
2 hours later.
Okay, sir?
Yes, I got my shirts, guys. I'm gonna round this up. Yes, guys, I got my shirts. I'm about to pay for them, and then I'm gonna go to St. Anne's Bay and get some other stuff, guys. I'll see you in a minute, guys. Later. Yes, people, I'm in St. Anne's Bay right now. I'm in St. Anne's Bay, guys. I tell you, Christmas is here, guys. Christmas is here. Man, tell us the people up on the road like trouble. I'm gonna show you what I go on, but people, me going at this in the one. You know, see me can get an outfit to put on. You see me? Come have some place to go. So, guys, let me show you what I go on. The Christmas out here. We're outside, people. We're outside. Look what I go on. Go on. Up there, up there, up there. Yo, me want some put on right away. Wanna get new stuff? I want something to no go out in the Christmas here, but me want one outfit still. You see me? People want me to get me want one shirt and me want probably one pants and thing. One shirt and pants. And me have a family reunion for a family reunion to go Christmas family reunion, so I want something fresh. Hold on there. Guys, I'm in the store right now. I'm confused. I don't know what to get, guys. I don't know what to get, but I'm gonna get something fresh. You see me? I don't know TeflonDon have a fresh for the Christmas. You see me? So, guys, I'm gonna go and look and thing and see what I go on. Once we find something, guys, I'm gonna show you what's up. I'm not gonna show you the outfit still, but I'm gonna show you so me get something. So, guys, give me a minute, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Peace. Hold up. Yo, this can't go on for my arm, man. It's not gonna go on for my arm, listen. It's not gonna go on for my arm. I need a true large. I like that cylinder, but I need something that can fit me. Help me out.
I'll help you out, man.
Help me out. Yes, man, I want something quickly. When I rush, you come back in the car, I did that Ochi and I say, alright, now. I come here, so, and see what I go on. Hey, me not like that. That look, come on, me want something stand out, brother. You see the shirt that I have on? I yes, I buy it, you know? This I yes, I buy it, you know? So you must know, you know, brother. Oh, I feel fresh, you know. Yeah, man, I look. How go on, man? Me have one day. I feel look good a while ago.
They are going to put out some new arrival. Eh?
Yo, at that, no want see. That's why I come in.
I see me have all the hat figure with the shirt.
Me must say the hat. Show me some new arrival, please. Please.
What are the things that you see? Fresh.
Alright, pick out 3 shirts for me with pants. New sitting. Please. Fresh sit more. Hey guys, I'm in the changing room. This is what I wore come here still. I'm gonna try on the outfits that I just picked. So guys, I like what I see. We can't really show you what it is right now, you see me, but that's some good outfits, you see me. So I'm gonna try them on now.
The very next evening.
Guys, we don't see nothing, you know. We don't see nothing in the store. I didn't see nothing in the store, guys. From the left. I forgot to try someplace else, you know. I was there for like an hour trying to find something, but I don't find nothing, you see me? So I just left, guys. I'm just gonna go check out something else and see what's going on. Take a look, guys, what's going on. Christmas in Jamaica, guys. Christmas in Jamaica. Very busy right now, guys. Very busy. Christmas in Jamaica, guys. Guys, unfortunately I didn't get what I wanted, but I saw it go sometime when you go shopping, you know. You go shopping for something, but it's not all the time you can get what you want. But you know, I saw it go. I'm glad you guys was here to experience the day with me. Guys, I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Remember to like, comment and share, guys. We're out. Peace, guys. Boom.